Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to display accurate, in-depth weather forecasts on your website using the Location Weather plugin. Let's get started. First, we'll look at the Weather Forecast feature. Let's add a weather block to a page and see how it works. After adding the block, you'll see the Settings panel on the right-hand side of your screen. From here, you can fully customize how the weather forecast appears. Use the toggle switches to select which weather data you want to show or hide. You can also change the placement of the weather data using drag and drop. You can choose the forecast display style as inline or pop-up. If you select pop-up, you'll find two pre-made display styles. Simply choose the one you prefer and adjust the other settings as needed. From the weather forecast type, you can display forecasts for daily, hourly, or both. You can also select the number of forecast days and show the daily forecast up to 16 days. You can choose the weather and change the forecast label, and choose the forecast interval as 1 hour or 3 hours. With hourly forecasts, you can display weather data for up to 120 hours. Now, go to the Style settings to customize the weather icons, typography, and other visual elements. To make the weather view even more engaging, you can add the Weather Horizontal block, which displays the forecast with an interactive graph chart. Next, let's look at the air quality forecast. I'll add an AQI block and show you how it works. After adding the block, go to the air quality forecast settings. Here, you can choose the forecast type as daily, hourly, or both. From the forecast view style, select list, graph, or carousel to present the AQI forecast data in different visual formats. You can display AQI forecasts for up to 4 days or 96 hours. From the Style settings, you can customize elements such as the heading typography, graph background color, text color, and more. You can also add the detailed AQI block to display daily and hourly AQI forecasts in 4 different styles, including graph views or individual data layouts. Next, let's move on to the sun and moon forecast. I'll add the sun and moon times block to demonstrate how it works. After adding the block, open the sun and moon forecast settings. From here, you can select the number of days to display the forecast with support for up to 16 days. You can also choose to show or hide the heading label and icons. In the Style settings, you can customize the typography and other visual elements. There is also a dedicated block in the plugin called the Detailed Forecast for displaying weather forecast data. With this block, you can show detailed weather forecasts along with an interactive map. From the Settings panel, you can adjust the number of forecast days and choose the forecast type according to your needs. Once everything looks perfect, simply click the Publish button. And that's it! Your website will now display accurate weather forecasts exactly the way you customized it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials.